On Windows 11, installing the latest update on your computer is perhaps the best way to keep your file secure since the package can fix bugs, enhance security and improve system performance. To install Windows Update manually, hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install system updates on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on Windows Update. Click the check for updates button. Click the download and install option to apply preview of upcoming updates of Windows 11. Then select Turn On. Click the Restart Now button. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos you can subscribe.